I do for a living is that every so often something comes to the market and you just think to yourself, wow, that is absolutely beautiful. And this bungalow is so incredible behind me. Where I actually am, I'm in the Chalet Estate, which is a retirement village for the over 50s, so I'd easily be fine here. And I'm bringing to market right now this 1-bedroom chalet bungalow. It's just absolutely gorgeous on the inside. Now this community here, it's so peaceful and quiet. So we're just off of Hammers Lane in Mill Hill, NW7. You're close to the Ridgeway. You're also close to Mill Hill Broadway with all its shops, delis, restaurants and the likes. Good transport links with buses and trains. But the most impressive thing about this place is how it feels. It just feels absolutely gorgeous. And look at the scenery all around us here. So let me take you for a little look around inside. As you're walking in, you've got this very, very nicely laid out hallway, entrance hallway, so you've got entrance to all the rooms off of the hallway itself. What a great living room area this is. It's just very spacious. You have a lovely outlook looking out onto the front garden and looking at all the trees, and it's just so well laid out here. But I just love the comfort of this room. You really feel like you're walking into a very, very cozy home. Very modern as well, really modern on the inside. Everything's in good condition, lovely flooring throughout too. Now the kitchen diner has all integrated appliances, so you've got your integrated oven, microwave oven, you have integrated fridge and freezer, an integrated slimline dishwasher and your washing machine. So this actual bungalow is gorgeous. It's in amazing condition. I have to say that if my mother was looking for somewhere to live that offered her absolutely everything, I would definitely be wanting her to come and live here. I just love it. It's so well decorated. It's so well laid out. The bedrooms are great size. You've got fitted wardrobes, plenty of room for chest of drawers. Now it certainly helps that it's a beautiful sunny day today, but these gardens are lovely. They look like they're kept really well. In fact, it looks like it's all just been freshly mown, the lawns. You've got some lovely trees and shrubs all around. And even though there's no fences, it's just basically a communal area, you've definitely got the defined space which is outside your own back door. So it's basically having your own garden here, because they're relatively cheap to buy and you'll still get a good rental return on this. So if you're an investor, there's plenty of people over the age of 50 that would be looking to rent somewhere at the moment. So if this is of interest to you, please give me a call on the number below and I'll be happy to take you around.